Noor's timeless secret. In the quiet village of Sohanpur, nestled between rolling hills and whispering fields, 12-year-old Noor slipped out each night to dream beneath an ancient banyan tree. Its gnarled roots cradled her like a second home, and under its canopy, her imagination spun worlds beyond the dusty lanes of her village. One moonless night, as fireflies danced, her dream felt different, heavier, sharper, like the air before a storm. A man appeared in her dream, tall and cloaked, his face half hidden by a hood. His eyes glinted like polished obsidian. "I am Zaman," he said, voice smooth as river stones. "I can stop time itself." Noor, unafraid, laughed. "Prove it." He snapped his fingers, and the fireflies froze mid-flight, their glows suspended like tiny stars. The wind held its breath, even her heartbeat paused. "Believe me now?" he asked, smirking. Zaman offered her a secret, a small, cold hourglass pendant that pulsed faintly in her palm. "Wear this," he whispered, "and you can pause time for 1 hour each day. But beware, every moment you steal shifts the world's balance." Noor awoke clutching the pendant, its weight real, against her skin. She hid it under her shawl, heart racing with possibility. Days turned strange. Noor tested the pendant, freezing time to explore the village unseen. She watched her mother knead dough mid-motion, or eavesdropped on the elders' gossip, their faces comically still. But each use left her uneasy. Shadows seemed to linger longer, and the banyan tree's leaves curled inward, as if watching her. One evening, Noor overheard the village headman plotting to sell the land, including her beloved tree, to city developers. Furious, she activated the pendant, stopping time to sabotage his plans. She scattered his papers, spilled ink over his maps. But as time resumed, the headman's eyes locked onto hers, as if he knew. That night, Zaman returned in her dream, his smile gone. "You've tipped the balance," he warned. "Time demands payment." The next day, Noor noticed her mother's hair streaking gray overnight. Her little brother's laughter sounded faint, like an echo. The village well ran dry. Panic clawed at her. She confronted Zaman in her next dream, demanding answers. He revealed the pendant's true cost. Every stolen hour aged those she loved and drained the village's life. Horrified, Noor begged to undo it. "Only one way," Zaman said, eyes cold. "Give me the pendant and your dreams." Noor awoke, torn. Her dreams were her escape, her spark. Without them, Sohanpur's dusty days would suffocate her. But her family, her village, they were fading. Under the banyan, she clutched the pendant, its glow now dim. With a sob, she hurled it into the darkness, praying it was enough. The twist came at dawn. The village bloomed anew. Flowers unfurled, the well bubbled, her mother's hair darkened. But Noor felt hollow. She sat under the banyan, waiting for a dream that never came. Then a breeze stirred and the tree's roots shifted, revealing a carved wooden box. Inside was a note in her own handwriting, though she'd never